Imagine standing on a mountaintop staring into the vast night sky. Millions of stars sparkle above, but here's the big question. If you could zoom out further, past galaxies and black holes, could you eventually see the edge of the universe? Or does the universe even have an edge at all? Buckle up, because the answer might just blow your mind. To unravel this cosmic mystery, we first need to understand what we mean by the edge of the universe. Are we talking about a literal boundary like a wall? Or are we referring to the farthest point our eyes or telescopes can see? The truth lies somewhere in between, shaped by the bizarre rules of physics, the nature of light, and the ever-expanding fabric of space-time. The observable universe. This is essentially a cosmic bubble about 93 billion light-years across, centered around us. But wait, does that mean we're at the center of the universe? Not exactly. The observable universe is simply limited by how far light has traveled since the Big Bang, about 13.8 billion years ago. Think of it like being in a foggy valley. You can only see as far as the mist allows, but the valley itself extends far beyond. Here's the catch: light takes time to travel. When we look at distant galaxies, we're not seeing them as they are now. We're seeing them as they were billions of years ago. Beyond a certain point, light hasn't had enough time to reach us yet, no matter how powerful our telescopes are. It's like trying to read a letter that hasn't been delivered yet. But that's not all. The universe itself is expanding, and not at a slow pace but faster than the speed of light in many regions. This means some galaxies are moving away from us so quickly that their light will never reach us. Think of it like trying to catch up with a car speeding away on a highway. No matter how fast you run, it keeps getting farther. This creates a kind of cosmic horizon that we can't see beyond. Now, back to the big question. Does the universe have an edge? If by edge you mean a physical boundary where space ends, the answer is no. The universe, as we understand it, is either infinite or loops back on itself like the surface of a sphere. You could travel forever and never hit a wall. But if we're talking about the limit of what we can observe, then yes, there's an edge, though it's defined by time, not space. With advanced tools like the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists are pushing the boundaries of what we can see. These telescopes allow us to peer further back in time, almost to the very birth of the universe. However, even with the best technology, there will always be a limit to what we can observe. The early universe was so hot and dense that it was opaque to light, like a curtain we can never pull back. What lies beyond the observable universe? Theories abound. Some scientists propose there are infinite galaxies and stars, while others suggest parallel universes or even entirely different dimensions. The truth is, we may never know for sure. The edge of the universe might not just be a boundary in space, it could be a boundary of human understanding. So, can we see the edge of the universe? Not yet, and perhaps not ever. But isn't that what makes it so fascinating? Each discovery brings us closer to answering these profound questions, while opening the door to even greater mysteries. If this cosmic journey excites you, don't stop here. Explore, ask questions, and let your curiosity guide you. After all, the universe is vast, but so is our hunger for knowledge.